In this video, I'll show you how to design and format messages in Slack so your communication is clear, professional, and easy to read. Start by opening Slack via the desktop app or web browser and sign in using your email, Google, or Apple account. Choose the workspace where you want to send your message. Then select the recipient. This could be an individual or a channel. Type your message in the input field, then highlight the text to format it. For bold, click the B icon, perfect for emphasizing key points. Use italics via the I icon to add subtle emphasis. The strike-through option is ideal for edits or corrections. Want to share a link? Highlight text, click the chain link icon, enter your URL and save. You can remove it anytime if needed. For readability, create numbered lists for step-by-step instructions or bulleted lists for casual lists. Use block quotes to highlight important statements or references. And if you're sharing code, use the code or code block options to make it easy to read and copy, and that's it. With these formatting tools, your Slack messages will look professional and be easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Slack tips.